Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I just got off of work and I wasn't having a great day, so what fixes a bad day? Ice cream. Ooh. So you guys are a little crooked. So this is a new strawberry cheesecake blizzard, and I added sugar cookie pieces to it, so I hope it's good. So let's try it. Not my favorite. I'm a hit or miss when it comes to strawberry things. I don't really like it. I'm kind of mad because I spent $7 on this. Starbucks is right there. I should have just got my Starbucks. I'm really trying to force myself to eat this because I don't want to waste it. Nah, I don't really care for this. Ew. I don't know who told me to get a small instead of a mini. I thought it'd be good. I'm trying to force myself to eat it because it's expensive as fuck. We'll never get this again. Gross.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How you doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. What can I start for you?
Could I just get 2 cheese Danishes?
Yeah, did you want those warmed up?
Yeah, could you double warm them, please?
Sure.
And that's all.
Awesome. That'll be $7.25.
Hi there, it's 7:25.
I'll use that bit.
Alright.
Montana's mac and cheese and firecracker is good, but it's too expensive. It's stupid. $1.25 for sprinkle fucking pieces of cookies. I gotta stop doing this stupid shit. How all these goddamn cars pass me? I'm so mad about the ice cream. So I'm finally home. Right when I got home, I rushed down to the laundry room to see if anybody was in there, and they weren't, so I was able to put 1 load in. So I'm only doing 2 loads today. Because I don't feel like being up all night doing laundry. Then I'll do the rest of my laundry on the weekend. Laundry really piles up. It piles up fast too. yesterday when I went to the bargain basket, I got these brand new hand towels, so I might as well wash those. I'm only gonna do my t-shirts, underwear, socks, and face cloths and towels today. The pants and sweaters will be done a different day. Today was such a weird day. I forgot to set my alarm clock last night, and I was supposed to leave at 8 o'clock. I woke up at 8 o'clock. So it threw me off my day. I'm just happy to be home now. I can relax once this laundry's done. So that Coach bag that I bought and there was a defect on it, I actually was able to purchase another one. So that's gonna be coming in the mail tomorrow. So my fingers are crossed that this bag has nothing wrong with it. I was gonna return the Coach bag that had the defect on it today, but I was like, let me just wait until the new bag comes, because if I have to send the new bag back, I don't want to pay double shipping fees or whatever. So